Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can insert a SIM card at the Samsung Galaxy A16 5G. For that you will need next to the phone the SIM ejection tool, and it's part of the box. And in the cover of the box you will find another little white box here. Just release it like this, and on the back of it you will find here the SIM ejection tool. So just remove it. And yeah, otherwise, by the way, you can use also, of course, the edge of the good old paperclip. Okay, and if you're having the phone like this, you will find now on the side of the phone the SIM tray. And a part of the SIM tray is a small hole in there, and now you will need the edge of the SIM ejection tool or the paperclip. So just enter this hole completely, press a bit stronger, and then the SIM tray will come out. On this SIM tray, you're able to insert next to the main SIM card also a second SIM card if you want, or a micro SD card to extend the internal storage. Let's start with the first SIM card. Belongs here to the first position. So, and this is how it should look like then. So there's a missing corner on the SIM card. It belongs to the missing corner of the SIM tray. It only fits like that. And the contacts, they are below. And as I have said, if you want, you can add also a second SIM card here. Belongs to that position here. Carefully that nothing jumps out. And this is how it should look like then. So also missing corner here on missing corner. It only fits like that here. It's pretty tiny, but it works. And the contacts, they are below as well. Okay, if you want, you can also extend the internal storage here with a micro SD card, but then you have to remove here the second SIM card because the micro SD card needs the same space here. Okay, let's insert the micro SD card. Press it well, that's well inserted here. And this is how it should look like then. It only fits like that. And the contacts, they are here below as well. Okay, if you're ready with it, whatever construction you have right now, just put it back into the SIM slot, close it well, and yeah, that's it. I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you want, with some more tips and tricks and so on. Or you can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for your support, and yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.